Hey guys, and welcome to Solar Cabin Channel. I bet every one of you has something like this around your house, these hand can openers. They work, but they really don't work very well. And a few years back, I injured my hand, and as a result, as I got older, I got arthritis in my hand really bad, making it almost impossible for me to use one of these things. So I needed something better, and I went looking online. They have the electric can openers, the big ones that you plug into your wall. I needed something simpler, and I wanted something that I could also take with me camping. Came across this product. Now, I'm not even going to try to pronounce the company's name because I would slaughter it, but this is an electric can opener that can be recharged. It comes with a USB cable, and as you can see, it's got the cutting blade right here. It also comes with, they send a second cutting blade for this, which is really nice. And it has a magnet here that is supposed to lift off the lid, but sometimes doesn't work the way it's supposed to. I've been using this for about a week now, but the can opener works really well. So I'm just going to demonstrate how this opens the can, and you don't even have to do anything or twist anything. You just turn the button on and it cuts the can open. So let's do that right now. I got a can of tuna fish here. It says that it will work on any size, pretty much any size or shape of can. And one charge, once it's charged up, they say it will open up to 60 to 100 cans off of one charge. Takes about 4 hours to recharge it, and then you're good for 60 to 100 cans. All right, so all you do is you just set it on the edge like so, push the button, and it starts cutting. You want to kind of remember where you started it, because when it gets all the way around, it won't shut off automatically, so you got to shut it off. Just kind of remember where you started it, and let it work around, and now it's going to keep cutting until it cuts all the way around that can. You don't have to do anything with your hands. Okay, and that should be cut, so I just push that button. Push that button, and then it has a magnet on it that's supposed to lift that lid off, but because of the suction on some cut cans, it just isn't powerful enough to lift it off. But that's okay. All you do is just use your fingernail, pop underneath there, and lift the lid right off. And as you can see, it makes a nice clean cut, opens this up really nice, and this is also smooth down here, so you're not going to cut your fingers on it. And this lid can be put right back on it, so if you're like me and you have food that you might want to store for a second meal, you can put the lid right back on it, and it seals it really nice, unlike these type of can openers here. Okay, again, that is on Amazon. Really handy product. Does come with the USB cable, does come with the second cutting blade, so if you ever have to replace it, it's just an easy, you unscrew it, put the second blade on, and you're ready to go. Will open up 60 to 100 cans, and a really great product, especially if you know somebody who has arthritis, or for kids or people that may have trouble using one of these types of can openers. This will be a lot safer and a very reasonable price on Amazon. All right, folks, hope you like that product. Have a great day.